Hello, this is Manesh Patel of IMTF Trade. Today is June 29th, almost the end of the month. Here's a silent winner, natural gas. A lot of commodities have gone down, but this one little commodity is going up. You see this? This is our VIMTF product. This basically represents volatility and allows you to trade volatility. Quick, fast moves. You see this little arrow in the green shade? This is basically called a shakeout bar. When this occurs, on the next bar is the entry, is the blue dot. You can see on this bar here, it did not enter at all. Then the next bar had a shakeout too. The entry was right there, and basically the initial stop was right there. So price opened here, went down here. That stop is not activated because you're not in the trade. Then it went up to the blue dot. We got into that trade. We know our risk is that green dot right there, and we know our targets is these blue crosses right there. So if you look at the reward risk on this guy, right here, let's just do this here. Blue dot's right there. Green dot's right there. And minimum target, minimum reward is right there. This is a 600% reward risk. So you could see we got to this level here. Once we got to that level, all we're doing is trailing with the previous bar low, minus a couple of points. And you could see right now, if you look at our current stop right now, we're already locked in with over 788% reward risk on this trade. That is incredible. This is simple. That's it. All you're looking for is green shade, green arrow, then it prints the blue dot. You enter on the blue dot, stop is the green dot, and boom, you're into this trade. If you have any questions, you can email us at info@eiicapital.com. Have a good day.